Okay, hi everyone, how are you all? So, I am going to start a new travel series where I'm going to share all the experiences, all the treks that I have done, the ways to go for those treks, the places to see during those treks, the numbers of the local people over there. So, this will be really helpful when you plan a trek with your friends or your families, or you go for solo trekking, because it becomes very difficult when you go solo trekking or when you don't have a proper information about those treks, because these treks are completely in an isolated place and it's very difficult to find the routes. So these videos will really help you to plan those treks. So I'm going to post all the videos of all the treks that I have done, and it will be really a helpful series for you all. So first trek I've chosen is Visapur trek because it's the easiest trek and the most closest trek from Pune district. So let's talk about Visapur Fort. So Visapur Fort, it takes around 2.5 hours to reach the top of Visapur Fort, and for that you have to take the Bhaze Caves route, and Bhaze Caves route has stairs that you have to climb, and while climbing you will see many electricity poles on the way. So the second electricity pole is the starting point of Visapur Fort. So don't miss this second electricity pole, or this trek will be very confusing for you all and you will really get lost in the jungle of Visapur. So the second electricity pole is the first starting point. From there you will see a big trail that goes to the top of the mountain. Follow that trail. While following that trail you will see white arrow marks. When you see these white arrow marks, you are on the right way. So Visapur trek is really very confusing. So please take care of all the points that I'm telling you. So you will reach the top of the mountain in 1 hour. So once you reach the top of the mountain, you will see a hut over there. So this hut is the first identification that you are on the right path. So from this hut, it will take more 1 hour to reach to the top of Visapur Fort. You will see a Hindu Swarajya flag flying on the top of the fort. So from this hut, you have to again follow this trail, and then you will see more dense trees, and from those dense trees you have to cross those dense trees, and then you will see a rock patch, and this rock patch is pretty difficult. It will take around 10 minutes, and please climb this rock patch carefully because there is no support over there. So climb this rock patch carefully and then reach the Visapur Fort in the next 10 minutes. Okay, so now when you reach Visapur Fort, you will see Hanuman temple, you will see a big 10-feet gun over there, you will see water cisterns, you will see caves over there, and it's a big flat plateau over there, and it takes around 1 hour to walk through the whole plateau. You will see fortifications, like you will see a big wall over there, and it's really beautiful. You can see Pauna Lake from there, you can see Lohgarh Fort from there. The whole Mawal region is really beautiful, and you can plan this trek during monsoons. It's really amazing to visit Lohgarh and Visapur forts during monsoon, because there are many waterfalls also that you can enjoy during monsoons. Okay, so this fort can be done by all the beginner level trekkers, and it takes around 2.5 hours to reach the top of the fort, and the height of Visapur Fort is around 3556 feet. And if you haven't done any treks before, then you can go for Lohgarh Fort first. It's pretty easier one, and then go for Visapur Fort. But yes, the way that I've told you is very important, because this trek doesn't have a perfect route that goes till the top of Visapur Fort. So you have to follow the marks, the electricity poles, the routes that I have told you. So it's a pretty challenging fort. So yes, you will really love this trekking. Keep this trek surely in your targets when it's monsoon time, and you'll really love Visapur Fort. Okay, now let's talk about history of Visapur Fort. So Visapur Fort was built in 18th century by Balaji Vishwanath Peshwe. He was the first Peshwa of Maratha kingdom. And Visapur Fort and Lohgarh Fort had a good history because of the importance of the Mawal region, and Lohgarh Fort had a very importance because of the treasury kept by Maratha kingdom at Lohgarh Fort. So that's why the Britishers had a big target to destroy these two forts, and that's why they wanted to reduce the strength of the Marathas by destroying the forts of Lohgarh and Visapur. So after a few years, the Britishers bombarded Visapur Fort by the big cannons, and the whole walls of Visapur were bombarded by the Britishers. So you won't see a good fortification on the fort of Visapur as compared to Lohgarh Fort. And also Visapur Fort was built later on than Lower Fort. So this is a small history that I would like to share with you all. Okay, so now let's come to the last part of this video, and I would like to tell you that I'm going to bring in more and more trek videos that I've done and the experiences of all these treks, and this will really be very helpful for you all, because the trek routes that I'm going to tell you is from my experience. So please follow these videos whenever you go for treks. It will be really helpful and very easy for you to find the routes, to go on the exact location of those treks and not be misguided or not go and get lost in the jungles. So bring in more and more trekker friends, more and more friends on this channel. Please come give me your suggestion in the comments which trek videos that you want, and it will be a really good experience for all of us. We all love trekking, and I want to see to it that we build a big community to this digital platform. Thank you.